Hello and welcome to Rob's 3-Minute English, your home to weekly 3-minute English lessons. I'm your host, Rob. Today is our 6th lesson and we're going to talk about simple past. So let's go ahead and start that timer and begin our 6th 3-minute English lesson. Simple past is a completed action that happened at a specific time. Now, the length of the action does not matter. So 2 examples. Yesterday, I studied Spanish. Yesterday, the specific time's very short compared to last year, I studied Spanish. Last year, the specific time is much longer. Now, the specific time could be one of 3 things. First, it can be stated in the sentence. So for example, at 6 a.m., I woke up. Last week, I ate Mexican food. And in high school, I played soccer. Second, the specific time can also be stated earlier in the story or earlier in the conversation. So if you asked me the question, Rob, what did you do yesterday? I can say, I studied Spanish. I do not need to put the specific time of yesterday in my response because it is in the question. Now third, the specific time can be inferred. So, for example, if I'm in class and I drop my pen on the floor and I look at the student beside me, I can say, I dropped my pen, and that student can infer that the specific time was a few seconds ago in the past. Another example, if I say I studied English, we can infer, since English is my first language, that the specific time is my childhood. Now let's go over the sentence structure of both the affirmative and the negative of simple past. Now first, the affirmative, we need 2 things in the sentence. First, we need the subject, and then second, we need the past tense form of the verb. So 2 examples. I lived in Korea in 2010. Last year, I traveled to Spain. Now the negative is different than the affirmative. There's 3 things that we need in these sentences. First, we need the subject. Second, we need did not. And third, we need the root verb, or the present tense form of the verb. The reason we're going to use the root verb is because it is not a completed action. So 2 examples of this. I did not live in Japan in 2010. I did not travel to Brazil last year. And I see that is our 3 minutes, 3 minutes of simple past. I hope that this lesson helps you understand simple past. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Follow us on Facebook where I upload all of the slides from each of the lessons. And from Rob at Rob's 3-Minute English, as always, happy studying.